Welcome back. We've seen how DuckTyping allows different objects to be used interchangeably. This principle is fundamental to a powerful design technique called dependency injection, often shortened to DI. This technique is used extensively in large frameworks to manage complexity and improve testability. 1. What is dependency injection? Dependency injection is a design pattern where an object receives the other objects it depends on. Instead of creating its own dependencies internally, these dependencies are injected, typically through the constructor or a method parameter. This drastically reduces the coupling between components. 2. Defining interchangeable components. We define two separate classes, email service and SMS service. Critically, both classes implement the same interface method, send. Since they both send a message, DuckTyping considers them interchangeable for any function that needs a send capability. 3. The client class. The notification manager is our client class. Notice that in its constructor, it accepts a service object as a dependency. It doesn't check if that service is an email or SMS object. It simply stores it and later calls service.send. The manager is decoupled. Its logic never changes, regardless of the dependency type. 4. Swapping dependencies. This is where the power of DuckTyping shines. We create an email_manager, injecting the email service. The message is sent via email. Then, we create an SMS_manager, injecting the SMS service. The exact same notify_user method is called, but the output changes because the underlying dependency was swapped. The core notification manager code remains untouched. Only the injected dependency changed. To summarize, dependency injection powered by DuckTyping is key to creating modular, testable, and highly flexible applications. Our next lecture 19.04, Operator Overloading. See you there.